Hello defense aspirants, welcome to my YouTube channel chess number 24. This is our lecture 3 of Indian Polity. इस लेक्चर में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं पार्ट 4 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दैट इज DPSP डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी एंड पार्ट 4A दैट इज फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज. So let's begin with our Indian polity. So first is part 4, that is DPSP. DPSP stands for Directive Principle of State Policy and it is a novel feature of Constitution जो कहा था डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर जी ने. DPSP is a constitutional guidelines to state in legislative, executive and administrative affairs. DPSP provides social and economic base to democracy. The purpose of DPSP is to lay down positive instruction which would guide state policies at all levels. DPSPs are classified into 3 types. First one is socio-economic principles, second one is Gandhian principles, and third one is Western liberal principles. So let's begin with the first type, that is socio-economic principle. Under socio-economic principles there are 8 articles: Article 38, Article 39, Article 39A, Article 41, Article 42, Article 43, Article 43A and Article 47. Article 38 states that it promotes the welfare of people by securing a social order through justice, social, economic and political, and also it minimizes the inequalities in income, status, faculties and opportunities. Article 39 states the right to adequate means of livelihood for all citizens and equal pay for equal work for both men and women. Article 39 states it promotes equal justice and free legal aid to the poor. Article 41 states right to work, right to education and right to public assistance. Article 42 states it makes provision for just an human condition of work and maternity relief. Article 43 states to secure a living wage, a decent standard of living and social and cultural opportunities for all workers. Article 43 states take steps to secure the participation of workers in the management of industry. And Article 47 raises the level of nutrition and the standard of living of people and to improve the public health. Next comes the Gandhian principle. These principles are based on Gandhian ideology used to represent the program of reconstruction by Gandhi during the national movement. So under this there are Article 40, Article 43, Article 43B, Article 46, Article 47 and Article 48. Article 40 states organize village panchayats and endow them with necessary powers and authority to enable them to function as unit of self-government. Article 43 states promote cottage industry on an individual or corporation basis in rural areas. Article 43 states it promote voluntary formation, autonomous functioning, democratic control and professional management of cooperative societies. Article 46 promotes the educational and economic interest of SC and STs and other weaker section of the society and to protect them from social injustice and exploitation. Article 47 states prohibition of consumption of intoxicating drinks which are injurious to health. Article 48 prohibit the slaughter of cows, calves and other milk and cattle and to improve their breeds. Next comes the last type, that is Western liberal principles. Under this Article 44 is there, Article 45, Article 48, Article 48A, Article 49, Article 50 and Article 51. Article 44 secure a uniform civil code throughout the country for all the citizens. Article 45, it made provisions for care and free education for all the children aged between 6 to 14. And it is 86th Amendment Act of 2002 which changes the subject matter of this article and made elementary education a fundamental right under Article 21A. Article 48 states to organize agricultural and animal husbandry on modern and scientific lines. Article 48 is to protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding the forest and wildlife. Article 49 states to promote monuments, places and objects of artistic and historic interest and of national importance. Article 50 separates the judiciary from executive in public service of the state. Article 51 promote the international peace and security and maintain just and relation between the nations, foster respect for international law and treaty obligations, and encourage settlements of international disputes by arbitration. Next comes the Part 4A, that is fundamental duties. Fundamental duties were formed on the recommendation of Swarn Singh Committee in 1976. The necessity of fundamental duty was felt during the internal emergency जो लगी थी 1975 to 1977. This fundamental duties comes under Article 51A. It is important, आप ये note down कर लो, Article 51A. 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976 added 10 fundamental duties in the Constitution और जो 11th fundamental duty है वो ऐड हुई थी 86th Amendment Act 2002. Let's see some importance of fundamental duties. So first one is to they remind the Indian citizen of their duty towards their society, fellow citizens and the nation. Fundamental duties warn citizens against anti-national and anti-social activities. Fundamental duties inspire citizens and promote a sense of discipline and commitment among them. And fundamental duties help the court in examining and determining the constitutional validity of a law. So let's begin with the fundamental duties. First fundamental duty is to abide by the Indian Constitution and respect its ideas and institutions, the national flag, the national anthem. Second one is to cherish and follow the noble ideas that inspire the national struggle for freedom. Third one is to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. Fourth one is defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Fifth one is to promote harmony and spirit of common brotherhood among all its people of India. To transcending religious, linguistic and regional or sectional diversities. To renounce practice derogatory to dignity of women. The sixth fundamental duty is value and preserve the rich heritage of our country's composite culture. Next comes the seventh fundamental duties, that to protect and improve the natural environment including the forest, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. Eighth fundamental duty is to develop scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. Ninth fundamental duty is safeguard public property and to abjure violence. 10th fundamental duty is to strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activities so that the nation's consistent rise to higher level of endure and achievement. The last fundamental duty is to provide opportunity for education to his child or ward whose age is between 6 and 14, and this fundamental duty was added by the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act in 2002. और आपको राइट टू एजुकेशन भी याद रखना है जो है आर्टिकल 21A. ओके, so that's it from DPSP and fundamental duties. So ये लेक्चर 3 था हमारा, और हम इसके आगे भी पढ़ने वाले हैं द यूनियन। ओके, ये पीडीएफ आपको इस टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगी, चेस्ट नंबर 24। अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज कर सकते हो। ये नंबर है 7058412408, और आप हमें इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हो। सो या, थैंक यू फ्रॉम माय एंड, हैव अ नाइस डे। जय हिंद।